In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, teamwork is more critical than ever. A collaborative culture is the lifeblood of high-performing teams. It's not just about working together, it's about fostering an environment where individuals feel empowered to share ideas, leverage each other's strengths, and work towards common goals. Imagine a workplace where open communication flows freely and individuals feel safe to take risks and contribute their unique talents. This is the essence of a truly collaborative culture. A collaborative culture is like a garden where trust, respect, and shared purpose provide fertile ground for innovation and success to flourish. It's about creating a space where everyone feels heard, valued, and inspired to do their best work together. When team members feel connected to a shared vision, they are more likely to go the extra mile, support one another, and celebrate each other's accomplishments. Collaboration is not just a buzzword, it is a strategic advantage. When individuals collaborate effectively, they unlock a treasure trove of benefits that can propel teams to new heights. Firstly, collaboration sparks creativity. By bringing together diverse perspectives and experiences, teams can generate a wider range of ideas and solutions. Imagine a brainstorming session where everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts, no matter how unconventional they may seem. Secondly, collaboration enhances problem solving. When facing complex challenges, two heads are better than one. By pooling their knowledge and skills, teams can approach problems from multiple angles, identify innovative solutions, and make more informed decisions. Collaboration also boosts productivity. When team members work together seamlessly, they can accomplish tasks more efficiently and effectively. Finally, collaboration strengthens relationships and fosters a positive work environment. When individuals collaborate, they build trust, respect, and camaraderie, essential ingredients for a thriving workplace culture. Building a collaborative culture is an ongoing process that requires a conscious effort from everyone involved. It's about creating an environment where collaboration is not just encouraged, but ingrained in the very fabric of the team. One of the first steps is to establish a shared vision and goals. When everyone understands the bigger picture and how their individual contributions fit in, they are more likely to work together towards a common purpose. Open and effective communication is the cornerstone of collaboration. Create channels for transparent and timely communication, whether it's through regular team meetings, online platforms, or informal check-ins. Encourage active listening, feedback sharing, and open dialogue. Psychological safety is paramount for collaboration to thrive. This means creating a space where individuals feel safe to speak their minds, share ideas without fear of judgment, and make mistakes without the threat of punishment. Trust is the glue that holds collaborative teams together. Encourage team members to trust each other's expertise, intentions, and commitment to shared goals. Fostering collaboration is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It requires a multifaceted approach that addresses various aspects of the team's dynamics. Leaders play a crucial role in setting the tone and creating an environment that encourages and rewards collaboration. By embodying collaborative behaviors themselves, leaders can inspire their teams to follow suit. Clearly define roles and responsibilities to ensure clarity and avoid duplication of effort. Provide regular opportunities for collaboration through team projects, cross-functional initiatives, and social events. These shared experiences help team members bond, learn from each other, and build relationships that extend beyond work tasks. Implement conflict resolution mechanisms to address disagreements constructively. Encourage open dialogue, active listening, and a focus on finding mutually beneficial solutions. Regularly seek feedback from team members on how to improve collaboration within the team. This demonstrates that their voices are heard and that you are committed to creating a workplace where everyone feels valued and respected. Remember that building a collaborative culture takes time and effort. There will be challenges along the way, but the rewards are well worth it.